HP has undergone a massive rebranding, leaning into the Omnibook and Dragonfly names. They are not just making laptops anymore, they are making AI companions. These three laptops that we are going to show in this video are the lightest and the smartest tech HP has ever made. For all the laptops, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. HP Pavilion Aero 13 with a weight of just 0.94 kg and 16.5mm thickness, made from magnesium aluminum alloy. This is HP's lightest consumer laptop. It's so light you will actually double check your bag to see if it is still there. Comes with a bright 16:10 display and AMD Ryzen AI processor. This is the ultimate budget-friendly ultralight for college students. Users love the color options, but note that the plastic filling keys are the only trade-off for incredible weight. HP Dragonfly G6 with a weight of just 0.99 kg and 16.1mm thickness. It's an stunning laptop. Comes with a stunning slate blue finish with a 3:2 aspect ratio display that's taller for better productivity. It's built with a recycled ocean-bound plastics. It features a 5MP camera with auto framing. This is for executives who spend 6 hours a day on Zoom calls. This laptop is praised for its Dragonfly blue aesthetic and 12+ hours of real-world battery life. HP Omnibook Ultra 14 with the weight of just 1.27 kg and 13.9mm. This is HP's new flagship. It features a vapor chamber cooling system, a first for a laptop this thin, allowing it to run faster for longer. A record-breaking 85 NPU tops for AI tasks. It features look-to-move tech that tracks your eyes to move the cursor. This is for tech pioneer and AI developer. The smartest laptop I have ever owned is what the user says about this laptop and praises its 1000-nit OLED screen, which is cited as the best in the industry. So HP's move into the Omnibook era is a bold one, proving that AI and ultralight designs are a match made in heaven. Asus has been on a tear lately, winning design awards left and right. Their 2026 ZenBook and ExpertBook lines are focused on